Beehive newsletter tutorial and review. How to use Beehive for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can use Beehive to start promoting your content and your social media posts without having to use multiple different platforms and without having to take one platform and schedule content and go towards the next. You can easily monetize everything all together with Beehive. And in the current age where you need to be posting regularly and you need to be posting consistently, it's really important to have a tool like Beehive. So let's get started. Now, Beehive is a primary tool which can help you in managing your newsletters, your emails, and managing your content in a really effective way. You can see even in their basic flowchart. First, you have to send a newsletter, grow your list, monetize, and then you have to repeat that. So this process can be really time consuming and you have to launch your website separately, then find an email marketing platform, then find a landing page platform, find a form building platform. Without having to do that hassle, you can move directly towards Beehive, which has all of these features integrated in one. So to get started, simply go on to beehive.com and then click on Start Trial. Once you click on Start Trial, you're going to enter your first name and your last name, and then you are going to enter your email address that you want to use. And then you are going to enter a suitable password. Click on Get Started over here. And once you click on Get Started, once you click on Get Started over here, you can proceed with your account creation on Beehive. We're going to wait for our account to be completed. And once they have sent you a verification email, you're going to just open up your mailbox and you are going to click on Verify over here to verify your email account. Now, once you do that, you have a code where you have to verify your phone number. So I'm just going to do that and I'll get back to you guys in a second. So now I have just verified my code with Beehive. Now, once this has been completed, I can move on towards the next section, which is our newsletter experience. So, whether or not you have previously built any newsletters or if you're just a beginner, so I'm going to skip these onboarding questions because we already know what we're doing today. So we're going to add our subdomain name. This is important. Usually I like to make this my business domain. So my business is called Pink Sakura. I'm just going to enter that as my subdomain name. And then you're going to add what your newsletter is about. This is a mandatory field, and it is important that you do make sure to add this because if you don't, it's going to, be very confusing what this is about. So my newsletter is about fashion, and I'll just add that fashion, style, retail, whatever you want. So I want to do maybe sales, no, not sales. But yeah, these are the two major topics of my newsletter. And then I'm just going to click on continue. After that, you're going to add your basic info about whether you are a solo creator or part of an organization. So let's say we are solo creators. And now after that, we want to become full-time creators. And then we're just going to click on continue. So newsletters can be used in so many different ways, especially if you're someone that is looking to launch their account and you're trying to promote yourself as an influencer. You can easily do that. Plus, you can also make sure that if you are running a business that you're able to have your customers stay interested in your business. Now, the final step to signing up is to either get started with the launch plan or to do a trial of their scale plan. So I am going to proceed with a trial of their scale plan. They don't require a credit card for your trial. You can easily just proceed with the account. Now, once you have created your account, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. So in your dashboard on the left, you will find a control panel. In this panel, you have things such as your posts, audience, grow, monetize, design, and analyze. And on the top right, you have your organization and your organization settings. Now, to get started, the first thing I like to do is I like to go into settings on the bottom left, and I like to make sure that all of my settings are correct. So you can go into admin and then go into company, and then you're going to enter your company name. So this is going to be Lily let's say my influencer name is maybe Anna Marie. So let's say that's my influencer name. So I'm gonna add that over here and I can, customize all those basic elements in these settings. Once this has been completed, the second step is to go ahead and add your audience. So you're gonna click on subscribers and you can import subscribers from your pre-existing platform. If you don't have subscribers already, you can just go on ahead and, create individual subscribers, but you will see that that is not going to be a direct option here. So for that, you can just import subscribers and you can import your list like so. You can choose a CSV file or copy paste the emails as well. But I'm going to add myself as a email and I will add automations and select subscriber tags. I'll click on import subscriber and I'll just click on import over here. And once this has been completed, I should be able to see the subscriber I have. Now, once we have a subscriber, it's time to create our first newsletter on Beehive. To do this, we are going to click on Start Writing on the top right. You have two ways that you can do this. You can either use a blank draft or you can click on templates. Click on New Template over here to start building your own customized templates as well. But we're going to click on blank draft and proceed with our writing. So for our newsletter on the right, we're going to write the title. So this is going to be our June Marie's Style newsletter. Marie's Style newsletter, June. And the subtitle is going to be Summer is Scorching, so are the trends, like this. And just after that, you're going to add your author. So I'm going to add myself as the author. Below that, you can add any guest authors. You can also show byline and email, hide from feeds, and add a display date. Once done, you're going to start typing in your email from the left. You can include things such as bulleted lists, numbers, buttons, images, block codes, and more. So first, I'm going to upload an image as the starting point of our email. Because this is a style related email, so I want to include some images that would reflect that. So I'll use this image over here like so, or let's use this one. And I'll just open this image up like so. Okay, I'll just have to upload a PNG image, not this one. I am going to choose a more banner-ish image because I think that would look better as the first image. So this one I think is gonna look good. So once I have done that, I can start typing at the bottom. I can also type in slash and go ahead and add a heading like this. And my heading is going to be gold, or goal is, I'm not gonna add a meta description to the image. I'm just gonna add gold is back in like this. And now I can, further type in the rest of my newsletter. Once you have set up your newsletter, you're gonna see on the right, you have your email style, and you can also create A/B tests. You can add your social icons, and then you can click on send a test email. From here, you can send a stimulated subscriber an email like this. And now a test email has been sent to me, and I can go on ahead and open that up. So, usually, it's really important to send out a test email because that is going to enable you to see whether or not your emails are being delivered, whether they are, looking the way you thought they were going to look, and can be an effective way to start more customizations and further tailor your newsletters in Beehive. After that, you can also set your website settings and manage your SEO and delivery for your emails. Once you have completed that, just click on schedule on the bottom right and you can schedule your post or publish it immediately as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.